I have to say, this is the best starter I've ever used, better than jump cables. It can start anything from a small car to a big truck, even a pickup. It has just the size of a box, so it doesn't take up much space in your car. There is a battery clamps with starter cable, cigarette lighter adapter, USB charging cable, and a manual. When you encounter problems with your car not starting, just need to plug the cable here and connect the car battery. Remember not to connect it backwards. You can start the car